Hi guys! Ako po si Kurt De Los Reyes and here are the 5 facts about me. Fact number 1. My full name is Kurt Daniel Young God De Los Reyes and my screen name is Kurt De Los Reyes. Fact number 2. My favorite is ice cream. Fact number 3. Nakakatulog ako pag minimake-upan. Fact number 4. Super kulit ko. Malambing akong tao and yung love language ko is pangangasar. And last fact about me, sobrang gwapo ko.
Wow!
Thank you so much guys.